Hi, my name is Bernetta from the National University of Singapore, and I'll be presenting on the role of personality and predictability on sexual selection. So what is personality and predictability? Personality is known as the consistent inter-individual variation in behavioral types like aggressiveness or boldness, while predictability refers to the consistent intra-individual variation or IIV in these behaviors. This means that more predictable individuals will have a lower IIV value. Previous studies have shown that personality types of individuals can influence their fitness, and hence selection can act on them. We focus on personality and sexual selection in jumping spiders because many studies mainly focus on natural selection and personality in vertebrates. Although sexual selection has been well studied in spiders, how both the personality and predictability of males, females, or both may influence sexual selection still remains an open question. In this study, I investigated the role of personality, in this case aggressiveness, and predictability on female mate choice and male-male competition in the jade jumping spider Siler semiglaucus. My hypothesis is that aggressiveness and predictability in females, males, or both will have an effect on female mate choice and male-male competition. It was predicted that more aggressive and more predictable males will be preferred by females and are more likely to win in a contest. We assess the aggressiveness and predictability of both males and females using a mirror image method. After acclimatizing, the opaque cover was removed and the distance when the spider stopped approaching the mirror was measured. This distance acts as a proxy for the level of aggressiveness, where the shorter the distance between the spider and the mirror, the higher the level of aggressiveness. For the next experiment, docile and aggressive males were paired according to similar body size, color patterns, and age to ensure that females choose their mates purely based on their personalities. During the trial, the females were given 10 minutes to choose their mates, and the female attention time for each individual male was then recorded. For male-male contests, docile and aggressive males were paired according to their similar size, color, and age. A total of 3 measurements were recorded: the winner, the loser, which is the first male to retreat, and also their individual fighting experience. The results revealed that both males and females showed consistent inter-individual and intra-individual variation in aggressiveness. Aggressiveness was also negatively correlated with IIV for both males and females, indicating that aggressive spiders were more predictable than docile spiders. The results also showed that females have a higher preference for more aggressive and more predictable males with lower IIV values. Since aggressiveness was negatively correlated with IIV as mentioned previously, aggression predictability might still play a role in predicting female mate preference. Similarly, for male-male competition, more aggressive or more predictable males were more likely to win the contest. It can be concluded that predictable males are more attractive to females. This may be because aggressiveness signals male quality, and these aggressive males may provide indirect benefits to the females. For instance, aggressive males tend to have higher growth rates, fecundity, and reproductive success. More aggressive males are better at acquiring limited resources under competitive conditions, as aggressiveness may increase their chances of accessing rare resources in resource-deprived environments. Predictability also acts as an honor signal. Previous studies have shown that predictably aggressive spiders tend to have better body condition and are able to afford to pay the cost of performing energy-costly sexual signaling. Hence, females may show a stronger preference for more predictably aggressive males. It can also be concluded that more aggressive and predictable males are better fighters. Aggressiveness can be a measure for resource holding potential or RHP. RHP is the fighting ability of the male and is dependent on various factors such as body size, experience, and body condition. Since body size is being controlled for in this study, body condition may be the factor affecting RHP. During male-male competition, males conduct self-assessment of their own RHP, and as discussed previously, More aggressive males may have better body condition as they tend to have a greater food intake and resource acquisition. More predictably aggressive males are more likely to win fights, and this may generate a positive feedback loop. Predictably aggressive males are constantly in good body condition as they have a higher chance in successfully gaining resources, while unpredictable docile males remain in poor conditions. Hence, more aggressive and predictable males may have a higher RHP through better body condition and are more likely to win male contests. To conclude, this study emphasizes the importance of aggressiveness and predictability on female mate choice and male-male competition in the jumping spider Siler semiglaucus. Our findings also show no joint effects of behavior types for both sexes on female mate choice. Instead, male aggressiveness may be sexually selected via general or directional female mate choice and male-male competition. And lastly, as behavior studies focusing on personality and predictability are still in their early stages, future investigations on their indicators may still be needed to enhance our understanding. Here are my acknowledgements and thank you for listening in.